Hello everyone. Let me introduce you to the brand new 2025 Redwood 401LK. This thing is not a normal fifth wheel. This is a rolling penthouse suite. Come take a look with me. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Best looking rig we have on the lot. First thing you're gonna notice here is this incredible paint job on this thing. These guys have really outdone themselves this year. Full automotive grade paint. This thing shines. You're gonna be the best looking rig in the park with this. A few other upgrades they've done this year. They've gone to a wide body, so we're 8.5 feet wide now, and also up to the 3-inch walls, so better insulated. All windows now are the dual-pane insulated windows, as well as all slide toppers are standard now on these. What you're gonna notice here as we start off in the front is this beautiful cap. Again, all fully painted. This is gonna hold up over time and just look gorgeous for you for years. Extra storage, new frame on this year, so they're able to get extra storage up top here, and you do have your prep for generator down here and two 30-pound LP tanks on that other one there. They're running the MORride hitch here, which has some nice suspension to it, so it's gonna help give it a nice ride as you're towing this truck down the road. Okay guys, and I really want you to take a look at this in the sun. It's a beautiful spring day here in Salt Lake. Want you to take a look at how this thing looks in the sun, because it's just absolutely gorgeous with this beautiful metallic paint. Best paint job I've seen on an RV by far. Come take a look at what they're doing here in the pass-throughs, because it's really incredible. All finished off beautifully. Up in here, it is heated, it's got a heat vent, but they're also putting slat walls so you can hang things on this wall. One of the first things you're gonna notice here is this tank. This is a water softener for the whole house. So again, when you're staying in a park, no more of that hard water that's coming out of their spigots. You can now run that through the soft water and have soft water in your rig. You also have water filtration, so it's cleaning up that water for you to drink. And then your full docking station here. So all your hookups and tank drops and everything are here protected in and insulated. Notice one thing about the construction of this, guys, 1-inch doors on this. That's quite a bit thicker, if not double the thickness of a lot of trailers. That's gonna gives you a really solid feel, well insulated, really well built rig. So guys, as we swing around to the back, one of the things you're gonna notice here is a fully powered reel to pull in your 50 amp cable here. So no lugging that thing in, that'll pull in for you. And what I really want you to see is this back cap, because this is just gorgeous this year. So instead of just a corner bead system, they're running a full fiberglass cap on this. You're prepped for backup camera. You have a 3,000-pound towable hitch already on this, so if you want to double tow, you're all set up. But just a super clean, really good looking back side of the trailer. All right, so here's that pass through looking from the other side. Again, huge on this side. As you look in here, it's gonna come with your expendable ladder now. So again, you have a way to get up on the roof if you need to do some maintenance. One of the big things too is this water manifold system. These guys have been doing this for a while, but it's almost like a residential waterfold mantle where you can isolate one line. So if you need to do something with the dishwasher in there, you can isolate that line and disconnect everything if you need to. So super nice high-end luxury option on that. And again, 1-inch insulated doors. Nice big awning on here, all LED underlit, tons of room to sit out here with your friends and family and enjoy your vacation. Let's go inside and take a look. Okay guys, here we are inside the 401LK. This is a rear kitchen layout, which is beautiful because it gives you that separate room feeling where you've got the kitchen kind of has its own space and your living room has its own space. As you're gonna see here, really nice high-end powered, heated and massaged recliners. They're in a good position for the TV, so you're not having to sit there with your head crooked or anything like that. As well as they're giving you a really nice tri-fold bed couch, so this will come out if you need to have some extra sleeping, you got somebody staying with you for the night, something like that. One feature I want to point out that's new for them this year, all the blinds are on a powered system now that's all controlled through the Firefly system. So you're able to put those all up, all down with the touch of a button this year. As we spin around here, come take a look at how beautiful the entertainment system is. Lots of extra storage up above. Great size TV, as big as we can get in there. And then you have your electric fireplace, which isn't just because it looks great. That is an electric heater that'll put out 5,000 BTUs of electric heat. So that can help you save on some of your propane when the weather turns cold. The way that they've done their dinette this year is beautiful. You got a really nice solid surface ledge here with a wireless phone charger there. Again, all motorized blinds around it. It's set up for a 2-person. This will come out, and there's a leaf that comes out as well. Comes with 2 more chairs, so you can set this up into a full-size dinette if you'd like. As we move up into the kitchen, so one of the first things you're going to notice here in the kitchen is going to be your solid surface countertops. Really luxury, high-end countertops. They just look beautiful as well. And something to point out here is this backsplash. So this isn't your peel and stick backsplash. This is a hand-laid tile residential backsplash in there. So you're not going to have the thing buckling and coming off like a lot of RVs do. This is actual tile here. Residential microwave. And then before you get too far back, if you can kind of look up, we've got the new seam lighting, which is great. It comes on a dimmer, so you can set how bright that is, but it keeps the seams tight, as well as it creates a really even flow of lighting and really high-end luxury light chandelier pieces. As we come into it, you're gonna see we've got a full-size residential Samsung refrigerator. So this is the same refrigerator you're gonna have in your house. Tons of space, and you haul everything you want with it, and you're already used to kind of how those works. No weird fridge stuff. Tons of counter space on this layout. They've put cabinets everywhere they can, so tons of that space there. Let me show you one thing here real quick on your drawers. So if you look at how they're building all this, they're not cutting any corners here. This is all dovetailed, all wood on their drawers, and everything is soft close. So really high-end and luxury feel on all of that. Residential range, 4-burner here, the good size oven. You can cook full meals in these, and the overhead fan. So you can good ventilation here as well. Built-in dishwasher underneath, as well as the new 5-function nice sink here. So this has a cup washer, so when you're done drinking, just hit it on that. It'll wash your cup out for you. We got filtered water, soap dispenser, and then you've got the waterfall feature. So if you're just rinsing vegetables or whatnot, you don't have to turn on the main head here. So really beautiful, and all that real dark stainless steel. Okay, let's go take a look at the front of the rig. All right, so as we head to the front of the rig, we've got a half bath here before we go up the stairs. First thing you're going to notice on this is the solidness of these doors. These are solid doors. They're not hollow. They feel like what you're going to have in a high-end house. As you look in here, tons of cabinet space in here. So again, not cutting any corners. You got solid surface countertops and sinks in here. Porcelain toilets. Max fan in here to keep the ventilation up. Just a really nice half bath, and this works out really well in this layout because you've got enough entertainment area. You may have friends over. You don't necessarily want them walking up through your bedroom to use the bathroom. This is a nice half bath that they can use here and stay out of your personal space. Okay, right across from the half bath is another cabinet here. Just tons of space for storage all the way up. So again, tons of place to put all your stuff in here. These rigs just have so many cabinets. Anywhere that they can put a cabinet, they have this year. And then one thing I want to point out here, if you can come around and see this is the Firefly system that everything is running off of now. So this is going to control your whole coach from a one-touch system. You also can get a app that you can run a lot of these features off of your phone with. Okay, so super nice, really high-end. Okay, so here we are in the bedroom. Full-size king bed in here, and not only is it on a king, it is on a tilt-a-bed, and it's a powered tilt. So just reach over, put this up, that'll lift up for you. It's across from your TV so that you can sit up in bed and watch TV. Okay. Again, tons of cabinets in here. Nice shelved cabinets on either side of your TV area, as well as drawers all the way along the bottom. And then they have added this additional kind of secret storage area here for firearms or just your important personal stuff in there. As we head back, now the nice thing about this coach, you walk through, it just keeps going. Okay, here we are in the next room, which is the master bathroom, or your ensuite, we should say. You solid surface countertops, dual sinks in here, dual mirrors so that everybody can get ready at the same time. Nice big cabinet in the middle to hold all your medicines and your toothbrush, toothpaste, all that stuff. As we swing around, you're gonna have a full residential size shower with just an incredible shower head system. Multiple heads, you can get this water shooting all different directions, have a really nice shower in there. I also like that they're using the molded benches in here. That way, you don't have to worry about things being screwed through the fiberglass, any water leaks, it's all just one piece. So really beautiful fixings on that. And then our last room, like I said, we keep going, is gonna be this huge walk-in closet. So not only do you have tons of space for all your clothes and whatnot in here, these do come standard now with your stackable Splendide washer dryer. So that's where this will be located in this unit. All right, guys, this is the brand new 2025 Redwood 401LK. Basically a luxury penthouse on wheels. My name is Todd. It's been my pleasure to show you this. This is the most beautiful rig we have on the whole lot. Please come down and take a look at it. We're here on our Mill Creek lot at 40th South and State. We have a second lot down in Spanish Fork. Love to see you down there as well. For current pricing, please go to our website, and we've got all the current pricing as well as pictures inside and out, so you can see this particular rig even in more detail. I'm Todd. Thanks again.